Hello everybody, now hopefully everybody's having a great time. Yashvia Cracks here, and I'm back with another Netflix cookies, guys. It's gonna be the Netflix cookie number 7. Okay, and well, to begin with, guys, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, guys, do as you can see, I have only 58 subscribers. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe now and also ring that bell notification, guys. Okay, all right, so to begin with, guys, it's the same process. Okay, so here it is, Netflix cookie number 7. So all you gotta do is copy it and open your browser. Okay, first go to netflix.com. Okay, you must be on the Netflix sign-in page or get started page. Okay, as you can see, and lastly, all you gotta do is click that cookie editor. Okay, you're gonna click on import, and here all you gotta do is to paste that cookies here, and once you hit import, you will see cookies were created. Okay, and lastly, you're gonna click anywhere on this Netflix page, and you're gonna right click and you're gonna reload. And as soon as you reload, guys, you should have this. Okay, you should get Netflix here. Boom. Okay, so now let's say if I wanna watch, okay, so I want to watch any of these series. Okay, I can change the language, I can update any of these profiles. Okay, all right, so yeah, and let's find the billing activity on this account, guys. And as you can see, this billing activity, guys, this is a Netflix auto renew account. Okay, it's gonna auto renew by itself. This, I believe, it's 17 August 2020. Okay, it's gonna auto renew by itself, guys. Okay, all right, so thanks for watching, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, if I've shown to you how you can easily get yourself a free Netflix account, and you can start watching with your family, okay, or yourself. Okay, so if you've been dreaming about Netflix, how to get free Netflix, okay, this video is for you guys. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, subscribe this video, and also do check my forum, guys. Okay, it's yashviagaming.com. all right, peace.